Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica for today Wednesday, May 27, 2009. My name is Rennae Nichols. The big tax collection office, what them call the Inland Revenue Department, collect most of the country big tax them, like where you pay for get your driver's license and your car paper them. Some of the tax workers in Jamaica in a trouble again for corruption we are going in the Inland Revenue Department. The gleaner for Wednesday, May 27, 2009, said PNP Finance Minister Omar Davies will run the part of the government will deal with how the country money spent, find out said the people them will work at Inland Revenue and use the government office them for do all kind of Banduulu business. Them find say some carry license with insurance company where them make up, some no license with no insurance, and 183 car did license with the one insurance paper. On top of that, whole heap of different somebody use the one paper for carrying car in the country. Omar Davies said this cause enough problem, cause first thing, some people are pay them money and do things the right way just through them beliefs for them own good. Same time, other people out the street have the same car paper them and the same license when them not do nothing forget it. As according to the same Gleaner story, the secretary for the part of the government were responsible for all of the country money, Rhoda Gray, say a long time she did a hear about where I go on and she gonna make sure say them do something about it. Pamela Monroe, or the Smaddy, to check up on how all government office for run, tell the Gleaner say, one time the cashier them at Inland Revenue could have put in information, but everything changed up. She said now, them can't use any insurance company for license no car, and only the boss them can do them kind of business there. Omar Davies asks if the office could have found any kind of Banduulu business in the system and try and make out of which one of the worker them response fee. Barely Latiba there, the one-time boss for the tax business, so them can check for find out all of them things there, so them make up their mindset that them are gonna do. Corruption in them office here is nothing new, cause from 2006 to 2008, worker in the same office them did have to go court sake of Banduulu business. The Observer for Wednesday, December 3, 2008 said 11 workers in a government office will collect money did have to go court for corruption. 5 of them are the cashier from tax office, where police hold for collect wrong amount of money for license car and will use them position for con the government. The government people them were responsible for collect tax and a joke thing, cause anybody will try to trick the government if they go pay for it or go to jail. This is Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Rennae Nichols. Wow.